What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are not on Lake Michigan today. We are going to be popping some hair jigs for some big pre-spawn crappies. It's a little bit early. It's only like the first week of April, but we're hoping we can find some good crappies around here.
Yeah, switching it up. We've been doing a lot of brown trout lately, so I've been itching to get on some pre-spawn crappies. Water temps are high 40s, low 50s, so these fish are going to be spawning soon. They are hungry because their eggs are starting to develop here. So look it out here. It's super calm, so it is absolutely gorgeous out here. We got our Polaroids on. Gonna be doing a little bit of sight fishing today.
Yeah, guys, it's beautiful out here. It's we're gonna do a little evening session. It's like 4 o'clock, but there's no wind. It's like 50 degrees, so beautiful weather. We're gonna be popping some hair jigs, so stick with us, stay tuned. Let's go slam a big crappie, baby.
Or bass.
A what?
Bass.
Alright. Let's go.
Finesse fishing crappies. Oh, here's a crappie. Oh, Mondo crappie. Got him! Got him! Crappie! Let's go! On the hair jig. First crappie of the day, guys. Super cool crappie. That's probably, I mean, that's the size of my hand. That's a good size fish. Holy crap. This is the small one. Absolutely gobbled the hair jig. And back he goes. Tony's got a crappie too. Oh, I got a crappie too. Let's go. They're slurping in the hair jigs, boys.
Guys, look at that. Just popping hair jigs for some beautiful pre-spawn. This is microscopic compared to the ones I get in here. I mean, we get some big ones in here. I'm gonna get the release on this guy. Back to the depths. See you later, bud.
All right, guys, let me show you what I'm using here. All I got is I got a drop shot going. I just got a micro hook with about a 1-inch piece of gulp. And then a foot down from that, I'm using just a simple white little hair jig. And that did the trick on that crappie. It's the best part. Oh, I got a crappie moving in on my jig. Here he comes. Got him! Let's go! Oh, it popped out! No! 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 That was sweet. Crappie on the hair jig yet again, guys. Let's see if I can get him again. Just toss it out there, let it sit, and I'm just gonna slowly jig it and watch for my jig to disappear. Popping hair jig. Oh, bobber's under, got one. Crappie. Oh, this is a decent crappie.
Hey, I need a
decent crappie. Here we go, guys. Slap City. Not a huge crappie by any means, but definitely a fun fish. Nothing like catching them on ultralight tackle. Gonna let this guy go right back to the depths. Here we go. Back he goes. Sweet.
All right, boys, so what I'm doing here is I'm just watching my bobber, and once you cast out, you want to wait till that bobber's vertical, which means your jigs were in the strike zone, if you will, and then you just want to kind of twitch it. Dude, there's a school of like 7 of them, six or seven of them. Be really quiet. They're all in here. Oh yeah. There's giant.
Get it in the shallow.
I saw one I thought was a bass, dude.
He's just staring at
See them all? They're all like
Here they come.
giant.
Oh, I got one looking at me right now. Here he goes. He's slurping it. He's slurping it. Yep.
Just balance it on his
That's
nose.
a freaking. Oh my god.
Yep.
I got a tank.
Yep.
I got a tank.
Here we go.
Here we go, guys. Beautiful crappie.
Alright, guys. Check this fish out.
Look at that slab.
Giant.
Absolutely beauty. Here we go, guys. Going right back down to the depths. Just gonna let him breathe. There he goes. sweet.
Hell yeah, dude. Let's go.
That guy's gonna go right back to spawn.
Sweet. Let's get another one, dude.
Let's get another one, guys. We're on something. We got the double drop shot rig going for these crappies, and they are munching today. Water clarity is absolutely gorgeous. We're sight fishing these fish, and this is so fun. Early season crappie bite is on. Let's go, baby.
Let's go. Big crappie, big crappie. Let's go, boys. Stay pinned, 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 stay pinned.
Don't try to do that. That's a hog. That's a hog, dude. Look at that.
He came in and slurped it. Slurped. Let's go.
That's 14 all day.
Oh, all day. Look at that. Look at that hair jig, guys.
Look at that.
Check out this hair jig.
Absolutely choked right where you want it. Did you play with this guy a lot?
No, I didn't see him. All I saw was I was watching my bait, not my bobber. My bait just disappeared. All right, guys, check out this crappie. Absolute hog. I think this might be a little bigger than Aiden's, but not much. Definitely pre-spawn. Look at how fat these fish are. This is easily 14, 15 inches. And all we're doing is popping hair jigs. We're gonna get the release on this Magnum crappie. Look at that fish. That is so cool. Ooh, he is feisty. See you later, bud.
There he goes.
Back to the depths, guys. This is super fun. This is our first time, like, really fishing for these fish this early, guys. It's super early. The spawn is in about a month from now, so we are very early on these fish, but very cool to not be on Lake Michigan and be on an inland lake and catch some fish. So hopefully we can get some more. Stay tuned. Let's go.
Got one. Another nice crappie, smaller fish. Gonna get this guy right back. Another beautiful pre-spawn crappie right there. Little guy, toss that guy back. There he goes. Here comes a crappie. Got him. Another one. Let's go. Look at that, guys. Absolutely down his throat. This guy must have wanted it bad, man. It's a smaller one, but still fun. That guy had it absolutely choked. Gonna get this guy right back in. There he goes.
All right, well, we're gonna have to cut it a little short. It decided to start pouring. Literally pouring. We're standing underneath my trunk right now, otherwise we'd both literally be soaked. So I guess it was good. I mean, what did we fish for, like an hour or so?
Yeah, we fished for like an hour and we caught quite a few, so. But it's raining now, pretty hard. We got the NORFIN suits on, so I mean, we could stay out there, but it's starting to get late, so we're gonna call it today. It was a great day fishing, caught some nice slabs, and it's only gonna get better from here, so.
Yeah, guys, we'll definitely be back and hopefully maybe even hop on a boat and pop some more crappies with some hair jigs and some other baits. We'll do a little more how-to videos as well coming up. It's early, like Aiden said, so we probably got another month of this at least. So appreciate you guys staying tuned. If you guys want to go leave a like on this video, hit that subscribe button down below. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you in the next one.
Peace out.